to my channel. It's been a long time. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like my channel. I'm all about passive income and crypto. I haven't done a video for about 2 months now, so I apologize for that. I'm trying to get back into it. But I have something really great here, and I want to introduce you to something called Torque Trading. What it is a 24/7 live trades in app. It has liquid assets. It means you can withdraw your assets anytime. It has a CEO with a clear background, 10-year background in trading, real office you can go visit in Singapore, and mining firms as well in Singapore and Vietnam. So we're gonna look at the actual website here and just get an overview of it. So here you can get the Google Play app for the Torque Trading, or on the App Store. I rarely use anything online. I use my Torque app a lot more because it's more user friendly. So I will show you that after. So Torque Trading has been created with the sole purpose of providing everyone with an alternative to self-managed cryptocurrency portfolios. Team of traders in 5 countries with more than 10 years of trading and experience from the traditional markets and instruments, and they have 60 men strong, based in Vietnam. So this is torque.asia. This is the official website. You can check this out after if you want. So you get a daily performance, you get daily rewards, 0.15 to 0.45 rewards. This is the recruiting at all. You don't need to recruit. So that's what the best thing about this company is. And also you can withdraw anytime you want. You can get the rewards every day, and you can compound them every day into the 4 major currency pairs, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDT. And it's really secure. Online support anytime you need it. The minimum investment is only 1 Ethereum, so it's really low to get involved. So if you want to just test it out and try it, put in 1 Ethereum or 0.02 Bitcoin equivalent. You can get a gist of how it works, withdraw your money, and just see how it works. It's addicting because you get the rewards every day. So they always working on their strategies to improve the daily returns. The strategies includes arbitrage, which is a pretty common strategy to use. They're connected to 16 different exchanges, so they'll buy a crypto that's less expensive on one exchange, and then they'll sell on another exchange, which is with the higher price of that crypto on that exchange. So it always wins. It never loses, so there's always profit to be made. And they also scalp. So with the team of traders they scalp, and they just take in buys and sells on the cryptos. They believe it's going in which direction, and then they close the positions and trade. So to get started, all you need to do is download the Torque app. Below, I will put the link to download the app, or it'll take you right to whether you have an Android or iPhone to either download it on Google Play or iOS store. All you have to do is register an account, email, username, and that's it. And a password, of course, and then verify it. You'll have to download Google Authenticator app too as well. So that's so you can log into your account and also compound your Torque daily. So you only have to put in, you can choose whether you want to earn in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or USDT. So it's really up to you. And you can just check in there and just see how your rewards are doing. I wake up every morning and I have my rewards in, and they are in the form of their native currency, or whatever it's Torque. So it's in that currency or their own native coin, because if you have Bitcoin and Litecoin in there at the same time, it'll be easier for that user to transfer the rewards to one or the other, or whichever one they want. So you can choose any time, any day to compound if you like. There's a little video down here, and you can contact them too if you want to have any questions. I'm going to show you the CAO of the Torque Trading Corp. Here is Bernard On. He has a very good background, 10 years in trading and history, and he's the managing director of Snap Innovations. He is also the CEO of Torque. And if you go through his page here, you'll see a lot of great information on Torque. One of the best things about this company that I like is Torque gives back, because of the pandemic and everything. they decided to do Torque Gift, and it was giving back to the community, like UNICEF and the Red Cross. And there's actually in-app, you can see that the donations, and you can see the actual proof that those donations were given to those communities. So it's an amazing company. I'm going to pull up my app here on Torque so you can get a view of what it looks like on your phone. It's really addicting to use, to go in every day and see rewards. So here it is, Torque. I'm already signed in. So here's my dashboard. I have my own money. I have over 4,000 in there, which is in Bitcoin, and you can see your daily rewards up here as well. The rewards in Torque and the value and the dollar amounts, and that I've already compounded this morning. I got up early, I was excited, so I compounded those. So you can see the compounding from the Torque. These are actually relocations of the Torque coin, and it's in the Bitcoin amount there, Satoshi. So 88,714 Satoshis were received, and they actually are confirmed there. You can see doesn't take long for them to come in. So back to the home page, you can easily receive in any pair there and start earning on it right away. Really low investment. Another cool thing is legacy contacts. In case of untimely passing away, you can submit legacy contact information for someone to take over your assets. So this is long term. This is sustainable. And they also have Torque Mall, where you can use your Torque you've earned to buy things right in app, and you can actually use them and get them shipped to your address, which is really cool. They only cost so much Torque, so you can save them up or you can compound them daily. So back over here, there is also on the homepage news and updates. Our products, the Torque Travel 2, you can use Torque to travel places, so you can like book a hotel and everything like that. It's really cool. Live trading, in-app live trading, this is what I love about this company, the transparency. You can actually go in here and view the live trading. There's maintenance for it every night at 12 p.m. I think, or 12 a.m. and you can go back on and check it out after. And then here is the Torque gift, where they have donated to some causes, because a lot of people were unfortunately suffering and low on funds, food, necessities, water, everything. Here is all the information, donations, all the way down here, and yeah, lots of people gave. So that's closed now. That's all done. So I'm gonna go over to my wallets, and there is my Bitcoin and dollar amount in Bitcoin. It's obviously always moving because the markets are fluctuating. Rewards, I have not earned rewards. I've earned rewards today already. I'm waiting for mine tomorrow. And you can view the daily rewards report, which will show you how much you've earned in Torque. And Torque are worth 5 cents each. So if you pull your calculator and you do 109 times 0.05, you'll get your dollar amounts. There's also a referral program, so if you do get people signed up, you do get a percentage of the rewards. I have a few friends off of Twitter, Facebook, and yeah, just Twitter and Facebook, who have been putting in money. Friend of mine in the cryptocurrency industry, our world, I know him from Twitter. He got involved and he's all about it. He loves it. So every day, everyone in my team, including myself, we're all earning rewards every day. The rewards go from 0.15% to 0.45, depending on the markets and the conditions and everything like that. And with referral rewards, you also do get rewards. So I'm just gonna go check on that. So if you click on partner in the home app, you can see the referral affiliate scheme. So getting started, that means you became a member. That's level 1. The flag at top is where I'm at right now. I'm on level 2. I've referred a few friends, so the scheme goes, you get your daily trading rewards nonetheless. So even if you don't refer anybody, you still get those. So that's the great thing about it. You don't have to refer, and you can compound every day. So, and if you know, compounding is the wonder of the world. Builds up your money faster. And so the first level, you get an additional 6% to 30% of referral rewards. So moving up, if you make it to senior partner, so you build a family of 7, swipe over, you can see you get the same rewards, additional percentage you get in level 1, and additional 60% of the awards. So this is a very sustainable affiliate program that they have. They're just rewarding you more for your efforts to bring in people to enjoy this great company, because advertising is cheaper to get the community to do it than for them to just throw out a bunch of ads. So moving on, regional partner. So that's going down here. You can see clan of 7 senior partners. So that means you have 7 senior partners, 7 people with 7 people in their own team. So all things, same things as before, but instead of 16%, additional 24 rewards. Moving down, regional partner, global partner, and mentor. So let's look at the global partner. Additional 32% of all rewards. Mentor, additional 40% of the rewards. So that's the top level you get there. And to achieve that, you would need to get full 7 global partners. So, if you do feel like recruiting, that's for you, that's great. If you're all about getting people involved in opportunities, and maybe this is something for you. But if you're not, at the same time, if you want to reap through daily rewards and earn from a very sustainable and legitimate, transparent company, then I would recommend getting involved with this company. Below in the description, I'm going to put the link to join to download this app for free on Google Play and Apple Store, App Store, whatever it's called. I'm also going to put a link to my Facebook page. So if you want to add me, have any questions or whatever, if you don't feel like drop them on YouTube, you can ask me there in a private DM. I've also made a group for crypto enthusiasts and beginners called Crypto Optimism. So I'll put a link to that too below if you feel like joining that, and you can see friends or people involved in crypto have joined this program and are earning too, so you can get a better feel for it, and if you feel more comfortable. So looking over here in my accounts, you can look over everything. Make sure your Google Authenticator is on. You can just download the app, get the code from Torque, put it in Google, or manually enter it by scanning the QR code. It's very simple, and then if you want to, you can check out your payment history, and everything else like that. So it's really cool. It's amazing. It's been very good for me. I've been earning a lot. So that's just about it, guys. If you are interested, definitely check it out below. It's something that I am going to be involved in for a long time. I do personally know a friend of mine. He has 27K of his own money in there. He's earning over 3K a month in Bitcoin, and he's buying everything with Bitcoin. Like he's about a bus. He's traveling the world, sharing with people about Bitcoin, and it's called the Bitcoin Bus, and he buys tools with the Bitcoin, everything like that. So if you want to compound and build up a savings account, retirement account, you can do that. If you want to just put Bitcoin in there, earn some Bitcoin to spend it, you can do whatever you like. Either way, this company is here to stay, and they've proven it over and over again. That's it for the app. If you want to just download, check it out, get set up, you don't have to put anything in, and you can get a better feel for it. Back to Bernard Ung. He has a very good reputation. He has some great posts too. This one I read, actually, it's amazing. He's really proud of the app. Like it took him so long to get this foundation going and everything going well with the traders, and it was really hard when the pandemic hit, COVID-19, because everyone in the offices where they do the trading, they do all the real trading, they had to work from home, obviously, to stay safe and keep it going. But it's really empowering post he made. He's just going on about that, and in more than 170 countries, people are involved with Torque trading, and they're all earning daily. So it's a very great way to put your Bitcoin to work instead of having it sitting in in your wallets or whatever. So if you want to check him out, you can do that too. It's really inspiring the way he read it out. So that's it, guys. There is the Facebook group. There's also Instagram for Torque trading. I'll put that below too as well. So that's it, guys. Take care. Hopefully see you involved in the team. If you have any questions, please ask me. Bye.